We're going to do a brief video on GBPUSD Technical Analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Basically, we didn't have a whole lot happen today. Didn't make a new high, made a slight little new low for the day compared to yesterday's low, but nothing really happening anymore. It looks like the pound's running out of steam. The interest rate differential is too great for it to continue to do much more. My guess is it is going to do a little bit more Monday. This is for Monday the 31st, coming out early. It's coming out Friday night the 28th, but this is for Monday. And I think the pound will rally up slightly to 1.17 or thereabouts, but I think that's probably going to be the end of it. At least it looks like it from looking at this chart. If we take a look at the hourly, we can see that it has moved. It's put in a little bit of bottom. It wasn't really even overbought, and it put in a little bit of bottom here. But I think it's running out of steam. We'll see what happens. This is an hourly chart with a 5-hour, 20-hour, and 200-hour moving average. It may again get up to the 1.17 next week, early Monday, but I don't think it's going to be able to do much more than that. But we'll have to take a look at it Monday and see what happens. If we go down here and take a look and see what RBAM research says about it, we've got algorithmically generated prices for you for Monday for the GBPUSD right here, the 31st, Monday, and 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading day periods. We've got right here GBPUSD, and it says short at 1.157. 1.16 for the 2-day, 1.16, 1.1. So 1.15 for the 1-day and 1.16 all the way across the board from the 2 to 20 days. So that's what we've got for you for the 31st of October, Monday, for GBPUSD. And if you want to see all these anytime you want to see them, you can get them all at rbamresearch.com. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all available by 7 a.m., but they usually are updated after 6 p.m. for everything but crypto. Crypto is usually updated after 8 p.m. the night before. Link in the description below. Follow to rbamresearch.com, put in your email address, and get immediate access, free, no credit card required. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard here is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use our commentary and entry prices for entertainment, can't use it for anything else. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And we'd love to hear from you. If you have a great comment, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.